You may be having oil in your sump, yet your engine will be reading no oil. On your dipstick, it will show as if there is no oil. I'll tell you five reasons why your dipstick is telling you that there is no oil in the engine, whereas there is enough oil in the engine. I'll tell you five reasons. Number one is that you may have low oil level. Yes, if you have low oil level, there is oil in the engine, but the oil is very low to the extent that it couldn't touch the dipstick. The dipstick couldn't touch it. That means that the oil is too low for the dipstick to capture it. That's number one. And number two reason is that if you are using wrong method to check the oil. For example, if you place the engine, maybe you are checking your car and the car is not on the plain ground, then the oil may go to the other side and your reading will be giving you wrong reading. The dipstick will tell you there is no oil, yet there is sufficient oil in your engine. And another one is that you should allow the oil to cool. If you want to gauge your oil, if you just off the engine just now and you dip your dipstick, then you are going to have no oil because the engine has circulated around the oil has circulated around the engine. So you need to allow the oil to come down back before you can dip your dipstick. If not, it will tell you no oil, why there is oil in the dipstick. At this point, you can share this video, like, and give me thumbs up. And what is number three? Number three, if there is excessive sludge in the engine. Do you know when you fail to change your oil at a point, your oil will form a sludge? Yes. When the oil forms a sludge, to you, there is oil in the engine. In fact, from the dashboard, you may see oil. But yet, if you dip a dipstick, there is no oil because it has become sludge. So when you have sludge in your engine, in your sump, then you may not have, it's as if you don't have oil. So go and check. If you have this problem, it could be that your oil has become sludge. And what is number four? Number four is that incorrect dipstick. Are you sure that dipstick you are using is for that engine? That's another question you need to ask yourself. You may be using wrong dipstick. If you are using wrong dipstick, let me see, your engine is Toyota, and you are now using dipstick of Honda to gauge Toyota engine. Then what do you expect? Wrong result. Or let me say, your engine is Cummins, and you are using Caterpillar dipstick to gauge you. What do you expect? Wrong reading. So if you are having wrong reading, if you are using wrong dipstick, then you are going to get wrong result. So you need to be sure that you are using the right dipstick to check if you have engine oil in your engine. So go and check that dipstick. Is it meant for your engine? If not, you need to replace it first before you could know the correct one for your engine. And what is number five? Faulty oil switch. If your oil switch is bad, it will tell you it will pass wrong signal to you. If you have a bad oil seal, and if you have a bad oil switch, the oil switch will tell you that you don't have oil or you have sufficient oil. And sometimes you don't even have anything in your oil tank. Or sometimes you may even have enough oil and it will tell you there is no oil in the tank because you are having a bad oil switch or oil sensor. So go and check if your oil sensor is bad. It will give you wrong reading. These are five reasons why you are having bad reading, or when you have oil in the engine and yet the dipstick is telling you there is no oil. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in another video.